Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a payment method on the Best Buy app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and save a credit card or debit card to your Best Buy app so that you can use it for future purchases. How do you actually go ahead and save a payment method on the Best Buy app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Best Buy app. And then once it's finished loading, on the bottom right hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on your profile icon name. So it's located right over here. Next, you're going to click on payment methods, which is located underneath my account, underneath my purchases. So click on payment methods. Now, after this, you're going to see a big square that says add payment method. So click on add payment method. And then this is where you can enter your credit or debit card number and then fill in your billing address, which includes your name, last name, address, city, state, zip code, and phone number. And then you could also set it as your default payment method and then click on add payment method. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and save your payment method on the Best Buy app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.